In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set materials while using Blender's geometry nodes. I'll show you the old way of creating the same object first. If you don't have this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. S to scale. Shift select the teapot mesh, and Ctrl P to parent. Let's instance it. I'll scale the sphere down, and add a new material. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. To finalize the instancing, I would press Ctrl A, and make instances real, but that froze my PC. Please skip this step and either hide or delete the teapot mesh. My Blender was not responding even after a minute, so I force closed it. This is a new method. Here are the full nodes. This time, the sphere itself was added from the geometry nodes. This set material node will place this material to the sphere. Please experiment with the node settings to learn what they do. This won't do anything. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.